Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to walk you through one of my favorite Excel functions, and that is the unique function. So this is a function that is a dynamic array function that is released by Microsoft Excel in 2019. That said, you might not necessarily have it, but if you do, it will make your life a little bit easier. And it kind of does what it intended that it will with a name. So when that it will return a unique range of values with a given array. So equals unique tab and then Control Shift A to kind of show the arguments real quick. So as you can see, there are three arguments, and typing this one more time. The first argument is only required one, and the other two are not required for the function to work, um, as you can tell by how they are in brackets. So the first argument, the array, is the range of values that you want to return a unique list from. The by column is either if you want to have it looking through like look through a return based on a column or on a row, and exactly once. So um, exactly once is true if you only want to return values that appeared only once. But if you want to also return values that appeared multiple times in a range, um, which is what it defaults to, it is false. So I just use basic unique function. And in this array, as you can see, there's a range of sub values right here with about 50 different animals, many duplicates, like duck, duck, cow, cow, um, unique, close parentheses, kind of that simple to use, right? And here we have the range of unique cells. But just so you wanted to only return things that only appeared once. So you could do unique. The array is going to be the same range of cells by column. We're going to leave this as the default. So we are going to just tab over, and then we're going to want to put true and return as the only true ones. As you can see, everything else, pig, duck, cow, chicken, horse, sheep, when it only appeared numerous times on the list, donkey and lizard were the two things that only returned once. Looking again, so here it's kind of show the second argument um, in the unique function, as the data is now in a bunch of columns and in the same row instead of in just one column. So similar start, unique. And as you can see, if we just close the parentheses, it will not work properly. It will just return the same range of cells, values. So to make this unique function work, we're going to have the by column be true. And then we're going to press enter. And here you can see now, because the by column is true, with the default's false if you don't put anything, it works with all the data being in just one row. And then let's just say we wanted to take this one step further and include things that only appeared one time. You can get exactly once argument and enter true. And here you can see donkey and lizard are the only ones that appeared just one time in this list, where you see pig, duck, cow, so on and so forth, both appeared numerous times. And one thing to note too is that you can actually use other functions as well with unique function to make your work just that much better. So, for example, you can use the sort function. You can use sort, open parentheses, the array is just this value right here. The other arguments in brackets are optional and aren't really going to be walked through in this tutorial, as it's not the focus, but close parentheses. And as you can see, now it is in alphabetical order. And this is already in alphabetical order. But as you keep the sort function, just nesting the unique function and the sort function made it in alphabetical order. Also, one other thing to note is that, as you can see, there's this kind of, if you kind of go into here, there's kind of this weird blue line around the data that comes from the unique function. That's because it does what's referred to as spilled. So if you type, let's just say one of the start here, um, you get a hashtag spill error. Basically, that's Excel saying, "Whoa, there's something in my way. There's something in my way. I can't spill this whole range of cells." So if you see a hashtag spiller, just know that means that there's a function that wants to spill. like the unique function and there's something in the way. So get rid of the thing with this in the way or move it and the function will hopefully work. That said, I really hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.